Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara. Today I am going to show you how to make this mug cozy. Grab your materials and let's get started. For this mug cozy I am going to use a 4-ply yarn and a 4mm hook. Just take a cup of your own choice and take the yarn and work a slip knot. Insert the hook into the slip knot and work any number of chains according to the mug size. Yarn over and pull through the knot, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through. Just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Take the cup and measure the just put the chain and measure. We need to make 7 to 8 more chains. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. Now again measure the, it comes at this point. So I think that's enough. As we proceed and work stitches in the chains, the length of the chain will be increased a little bit. So put the finger on the last chain and work 2 more chains, 1 and 2. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain from the hook or the chain where we put our finger and pull up the loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now this stitch is called half double crochet. Yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Yarn over all the 3. In the same way, work half double crochet into each chain until you reach the end of the chain. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now that I have reached the end, now chain 1 and turn your work. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, you can see, into the full stitch, and this V comes on the top of the hook. Now yarn over and pull through the stitch, you can see we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now in the same way, work half double crochet in each stitch until you reach the end. Okay, I will meet you at the end of the row at this point. Now I have reached the end. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now in the same way, work half double crochet and work total of 8 rows. I have just crocheted 2 rows. Now 6 more rows to go, and I will meet you at the end of the 8th row. If we count from this row, we need to crochet total of 8 rows. Okay, I will meet you then. Now I have worked total of 8 rows. Now I am going to work 17 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Now work a slip stitch into the corner. Now in the same way, work a single crochet row in each stitch to the next end. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now I have worked a row of single crochet. Now work chain 17. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Now again attach to the corner of the next corner. Now again work a row of single crochet in each stitch. I will meet you at this point. Now I have worked a row of single crochet. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now just pull the yarn and hide the tail into the stitches. Now that our mug cozy is ready, now just put the, and you can see our mug cozy. Now, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye-bye.